In this video, how to fix this error when trying to clean install Windows. Even if you delete the partition, the error still remains. This error indicates that the computer is currently running legacy BIOS. To bypass the issue, you can simply enable UEFI and secure boot. If so, go ahead and do that, then try the clean install again. If your BIOS doesn't support UEFI, you will need to convert your disk from GPT to MBR. At this screen, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard, or Function plus Shift plus F10 if you're on a laptop. This will open the command prompt. If needed, press Alt plus Tab to select the command prompt window. In the command prompt, type diskpart, then hit Enter. Get the list of disks. Select the disk. Clear the disk. Clearing the hard disk will erase the whole disk, so be careful if you have any data on it. Make a backup before cleaning the disk. Once the disk is cleaned, convert the disk to MBR style. As you can see, the disk style has been converted to MBR. We can continue to clean install Windows now. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.